Itel has recently introduced a new product line known as the City series with the Itel City 100, the inaugural device in this lineup. Itel is one brand that has established itself as a leader in producing affordable smartphones, particularly in emerging markets across Africa, Asia, and beyond. They have even adopted the philosophy enjoy better life, aiming to provide feature-rich devices at low cost. This expertise is evident in the City 100, which combines a large display, robust battery, and modern software at a budget-friendly price, making technology accessible to a broad audience. Let's check out the design and build quality. The Itel City 100 features a sleek unibody metallic design and weighs approximately 185 grams. It is available in 3 variant colors: fairly purple, navy blue, and pure titanium. Itel emphasizes on its slim profile with a thickness of just 7.65 millimeters, which provides a more premium in-hand feel, and this is rare with devices in the budget segment. Additionally, it boasts an IP64 rating for dust and water resistance, a standout feature for a budget device. This durability ensures that the phone can withstand minor splashes and dusty environments, adding to its practical appeal. Now the display. The City 100 is equipped with a 6.75 IPS LCD display, offering a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. It features a 90 Hz refresh rate, which provides smoother scrolling and animations, with a peak brightness of 700 nits. The screen ensures decent visibility in bright outdoor conditions. This specification makes the phone suitable for media consumptions, browsing, and casual gaming, offering a competitive edge in the budget segment. The performance. The Itel City 100 is powered by the Unisoc T7250 octa-core chipset, built on a 12nm process with a maximum clock speed of 1.8 GHz. The chipset provides adequate performance for daily tasks such as social media, messaging, and light multitasking. The phone offers multiple memory configurations, which are 4GB, 6GB, and 8GB of physical RAM, expandable with virtual RAM up to 24GB, and storage options of 128GB or 256GB. Itel's marketing materials claim no lag, no waiting due to the 7250 chip and 4.5G speeds. The software. The City 100 runs on Itel OS 14.5, a custom user interface based on Android 14. Android 14 brings modern functionalities such as improved security, satellite connectivity support, and enhanced customization options, ensuring the phone remains relevant in 2025. AI features. Itel City 100 incorporates a range of AI-powered features. These features include AI image generation capabilities, allowing users to create stunning wallpapers and stylize their image with AI creativity. The device also features real-life AI solutions powered by DeepSeek AI, which learns user preferences for smarter and smoother tasks. Now the camera. The Itel City 100 features a 13-megapixel rear camera with LED flash and digital zoom, suitable for basic photography needs. The 8-megapixel front camera supports selfies and video calls. The rear camera is capable of capturing photos with a resolution of 4280 by 3120 pixels and recording videos at 1080p at 30 frames per second. Features like autofocus, LED flash, digital zoom, HDR mode, panorama mode, and various shooting modes such as continuous shooting are also included. While the level of detail in photos might not be exceptionally sharp, it is considered decent for a budget smartphone. For video recording, the phone can shoot at 1080p at 30 frames per second, but it lacks optical image stabilization, which might result in shaky footage. The battery. The Itel City 100 features a substantial 5200 mAh lithium polymer battery, supporting 18 watts fast charging via the USB Type-C port. It can deliver up to 22 hours of local video playback feedback, making it ideal for users requiring long-lasting power. The 18 watts charging speeds, while not the fastest, is competitive in a budget segment, taking approximately 2 hours to fully charge. Itel also claims a 4-year battery health guarantee, suggesting confidence in the longevity and durability of the battery. Sound and connectivity. City's 100 sound capabilities is limited. It likely includes a standard mono speaker and a 3.5mm headphone jack, common to budget smartphones. A notable feature is the inclusion of a playful Itel Mac speaker, which is a magnetically attachable external speaker designed to amplify the sound. The external speaker could be a key differentiator, offering an enhanced audio experience for music listening and media consumption, although it might be an optional or limited time offering. In terms of connectivity, the Itel City 100 supports dual SIM cards, allowing users to manage 2 different phone numbers simultaneously. For wireless internet connectivity, the phone supports Wi-Fi 5. It also features Bluetooth 5.2 for connecting to wireless accessories. The primary network support is 4G Lite with 4.5G speeds, which likely refers to enhanced 4G performance. The price. The expected price of Itel City 100 in India is around 7,799 rands and 119,300 naira in Nigerian market for the 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. With confirmed pricing in the Philippines, it is approximately 82 to 86 USD. These prices may vary due to taxes, import duties, or market-specific pricing strategies. The Itel City 100 emerges as a compelling contender in the ultra-affordable smartphone market. As the first phone in the new Itel City series, the phone offers a well-rounded set of features that aims to balance cost-effectiveness and user experience. That's all for the Itel City 100. Let's hear your thoughts in the comment section. Also, do well to subscribe and like this video. It really strengthens our morale. From us to you, stay creative, live in the moment. Till meet next time. Bye for now. Cheers.